Hello, trading is closed on September 5th, 2018. Yesterday's call wasn't as clear as I wish it were. I said I wanted to see a pattern with an early low and a late high. Said there was a good chance we'd gap down, and according to someone else's work, it was more likely than not that this low would be undercut, and that would be the end of the decline. However, I also said gapping down smartly would kill the whole thing, so that really means I can't take any credit for anything. We'll just say the call wasn't necessarily wrong. During the day, MEJT said this rally was false, would retrace, said this drop is false and prices would retrace. Doesn't give us any information about tomorrow. This is a pattern which usually closes at the day's high, and if not, it leads to trouble. But tomorrow's open is a surrogate for today's close, and if we gap up smartly tomorrow, and futures are down as I'm recording this, but if we gap up, I can make a case for this low holding. We have 4 straight days gapping down. Usually after 3, you get a reversal. You also have been gapping down 2 days straight without being able to close under any of these lows. I also have the signal I told you about from someone else saying one more drop is all you get. But the other side of the coin is you rallied all day, couldn't take out the highs. And this pattern, if it doesn't close at the high, leads to more weakness. So we have conflicting signals, and the commonest thing is we gap outside the range, or at least we move outside the range quickly. And next most common thing is we close, it'll change, have the big move the next day. Well, this is a hole in the wall gap. These things usually close pretty quickly. So things will work for this being a low if we gap up, go over this high and meet resistance there. But that hasn't happened yet. If we have the gap, even though the pattern is one with the early low tomorrow, it doesn't preclude gapping up first. I don't know what that is. It doesn't preclude gapping up first. And if we gap up first, this whole decline from the all-time high can be overlapping, corrective, and tends to retrace, and the rally can continue. But if we can't, the next most likely is we take out this low pretty fast, and that would, I believe, lead to even lower prices. So tomorrow's open should be critical. Possible low here, but if we can't gap up, take out this high and preferably this one early, then I don't think that low is going to hold. And that's today's call.